Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In today's video, I'm going to show you the text formatting printing feature of the Reporter plugin. So important here to know is that you have to install version 2.0 and above to have this feature available. And also the second thing that is very important is that you have to set text formatting to be text style. So I'm going to show it to you. You have to go to administration here, that is located on the top right corner, and then click on settings, and here it is text formatting. It is text style, so please make sure to be text style. Alright, so let's go to some issue. We are going to use an existing one. Yeah, this. Okay, so we go to our example here and just copy paste the formattings. Okay, so we put it into the description. Yeah, of course, here is some predefined text, but you can use it in your examples and your specific cases and texts. So here is items in bold, so test 1, 2, 3, or in italics, of course. Use underline. Let's see how it will be visible, and so on and so on. You can just use these formattings in accordance with your needs. This is just an example here about our current video and article of the Reporter plugin. Okay, so we submit and save. And yeah, we have now some issue that has bold text, italic text, and underline text, and italic and bold, and colored words in red in our example, and background colors, so green and yellow background colors of these words. Alright, so if you would like this to be printed via the Reporter plugin, you have to use in your report template this very important thing. It is the with formatting filter. So you have to use it into this way as shown to the example, and it is going to work correctly for you. So let's try and see how it is going to work. Okay, so we go again into administration, and then we click on plugins, and then Reporter. Here into reports we create a new one and name it, for example, text formatting example template. Okay, so we just paste this code and see what is going to happen. So we just created our template and return back to the issue. Alright, so we have this issue and we print it here. So via these three dots, and click on reports, and afterwards text formatting example template. And yeah, when we click preview, we see that our template is successfully showing the text formattings. So this is all the thing about in this video. It is successfully showing these formattings, so you can make big and long text documents with a lot of formattings, and they are going to appear successfully with this filter that I have showed you into the Reporter template. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Bye bye for now.